Hey guys, it's Colleen. So I went on the Dooney website and found a couple of deals, and I thought that I would show you. I am obsessed with the Dooney's 25. It reminds me of a Louis Vuitton Speedy, and so I wanted other colors in it, and I went ahead and picked it up again. All right, so let me show y'all what I got, and then I got this one bag here. I picked it up at $119. At the time of this taping, it is actually $99. So I will try to link it for you if it's still available, and you will get a better deal than I got. All right, so since that one is showing, we'll go ahead and look at that one. All right, I think this is so cute. It's so cute. So let's take a look at this. I am trying to go back to Dooney now, since Coach is acting crazy. That does not mean I'm not going to buy Coach anymore, because that's just not realistic. But Dooney is high quality, and I just don't feel like they play the games Coach plays. But anyway, so this one is number 86 out of 573. This is the name of this one, Red Satchel. Super, super cute. I love this color red, and this color gold is just so pretty. And I like how the zippers come all the way down to here. They have another one of these. I think it's black. I'm not sure if I'm going to get that. I probably will look and see. I probably will end up getting it, because I'm really funny about my blacks, though. I don't like a dusty. I like a rich charcoal black. So we'll have to see. I'm going to take a look at it and see if that's what I really want. But look how cute this is. Now, this is a red. It kind of feels orangey to me also. So it's really, really, really pretty. That is the side. That is the back. And it's a nice size. It's not too big. It's not too little. So pretty. All right. That is the name of it again. Super, super pretty. All right, and then here is the strap. I love the quality of Dooney. It's just really nice and timeless. So that is the strap. Super pretty. Alright, and we have the key keeper here. So let's take this stuff out. I like that it's structured. Doesn't feel like it's going to collapse. I like all that. We get a dust bag. And you get your 2 slips up front. And you get a slip here. And then you get a zippered pocket here. And then we have the little sticker back there. Now, super, super cute. I am super pleased with this. All right, and I like these big rings. Now they have these big rings, but they also have a little ring back here for you to attach your strap to. And I guess really you could put a little charm there too, but I'll probably just hang whatever I'm gonna hang off here. Y'all, this is super cute, and it this leather is nice. Okay, so I am really happy with that. I'm thinking I'll probably pick up the one in black. All right, and now let's do this other one. I like the little box it comes in. So we got the Barrel Satchel 25 in olive. I have a lot of green. I kept going back and forth with this, but I thought it just looks so pretty on the site, and I thought that it looks kind of like a neutral green, if that makes sense. Like you don't actually have to have green on or anything. But we'll see. See what it looks like in person. All right, here we go. Yes, it's so pretty. Oh, she's so pretty. And the last time I think I unboxed one of these, I was saying that this domed feature right here looks like a triangle, and I was like, I don't know if it's supposed to look like that. I think it is, because when I went back on the site to take a look at it, it did look like it was kind of like a triangle and not rounded. And but I guess I just didn't notice that at the time. It doesn't bother me. it's still really cute. And this is green, but it kind of looks beige to me. It kind of looks like a brown. This is so pretty. This is so pretty, y'all. I am going to use this immediately. Super cute. The strap is not all that great. It's okay. But they put more emphasis on the purse. Okay. But let's take a look at this. So we got the zipper pocket in the back. You got the slip up front. I mean, in front of the pocket. And then you got these two. And then the lining is a light lining. A lot of people like that. I prefer something a little darker because I have pins and stuff and it marks up and if your lipstick gets loose. But anyway, I just usually prefer something darker. And so we got these for you to attach your strap to. Super, super nice. And this is so soft and luxurious. I love this type of bag. So this is my third one now. And I think there was one more that I liked. I think it was a blue one. So, but I'm thinking I'm probably going to stop with this. All right. So we got that one. And we got this one. So that is what I wanted to share with you guys. I think they are so gorgeous. They're so gorgeous. So anyway, that is what I had to share with y'all. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.